Today, I will demonstrate the entire connection of energy storage system composed of 4 battery modules and a high-pressure control box and a Deye inverter to you. The first is the series connection of 4 battery modules. After the copper bar is connected, be sure to check whether the copper bar is connected tightly. Then, 4 battery modules are formed. One is always positive, and one is always negative. Then connect the total negative to the negative electrode of the high voltage control box that is above B-. Then there is the always positive connection to the high voltage positive electrode of the battery. Note that the last connection to the last step forms a loop. There will be voltage at this time. Therefore, do not touch the metal surface. The power of the battery system at this time is already connected. The communication part of it is connected like this. Now we demonstrate the method of battery cable connection. First, remove the communication cable. Then find communication interface in turn. The communication interface of high voltage control box. Insert the communication cable. Then connect the first battery module with the second battery module. Go up in sequence. In this step, the power and the communication part of the battery system is connected. Then open the high-pressure control box. If the red warning sign is not displayed on the screen, which represents there is no problem with the entire battery communication and power connection system, then I will show you the connection of inverter and battery. First, find the 2 battery interfaces of the inverter. Then the positive electrode and the negative electrode are connected separately. It depends on the P positive and P negative on the right side of the control box. The negative electrode of the battery is negatively connected to P negative. Positive electrode is connected to positive electrode. Then shows the connection of the communication part. Locate the inverter BMS1 port. Then insert the other end of the network cable into the BMS1. Then plug the other end of the network cable into the inverter interface. At this moment, the power of the entire energy storage system is completed. Then open the manual operation of the battery high voltage control box to power the inverter. And turn on the grid side. And you can see that it's lit up. Then let me show you the charge and discharge test of inverter and battery. Turn on the power button on the left side of the inverter. You need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Then it can complete the communication terminal and the relay closure at the DC end. At this point, the grid on the screen has been closed. Then there is already the power to charge battery. After that, the charging current 9.910 kilowatts 10 amps will be displayed on the screen at this time. In this way, this entire connection of battery and inverter system is finished.